નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, ગાલા સ્વાધ્યાયપોથી ધોરણ 7 યુનિટ નંબર 4 ક્યુ ઓફ યસ નો યસ નો યસ નો ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 1 એન્ડ 2 જોઈશું આપણે, જેના પાના નંબર છે 37 થી 40. યુનિટ 4 પેરેગ્રાફ નંબર 1. વેર ઇઝ કેતકી ગોઈંગ? વાય? આન્સર: Ketki is going to market for shopping. Number 2. What will Ketki buy? Ketki will buy a set of chaniya choli. Number 3. What is Ketki preparing for? Ketki is preparing for Navratri. Number 4. Does Ketki have a cold? Yes. Ketki has shower cold. MCQ number 1. Kavita is suffering from ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer number C, a severe cold. Number 2. Navratri preparation start ખાલી જગ્યા in advance. Answer number D, 7 days. Number 3. Ketki is preparing for ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer number B, Navratri. 4. Ketki will buy ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer number C, ચણિયા ચોલી. 5. Which word in the passage means very much? Answer number A, extreme. Number 6. Round the corner means answer number B, very near. Paragraph number 2. Question number 1. Which is a major festival of Gujarat? Answer: a major festival of Gujarat is Navratri. Number 2. What does Navratri mean? Answer: Navratri means 9 nights. Number 3. Which is the folk dance of Gujarat? The folk dance of Gujarat is Garba. Number 4. Who join in the Garba? Young men and women, teeny tots and elders people join in the Garba. MCQ number 1. Garba is a ખાલી જગ્યા dance. Answer number C, youthful. Number 2. Navratri means ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer number A, 9 nights. Number 3. ખાલી જગ્યા is the folk dance of Gujarat. Answer number C, Garba. 4. Which word in the passage means very big? Answer number D, major. Paragraph number 3. Where does the dance take place? Answer: the dance take place in the open ground. અહીંયા મિત્રો હાઇલાઇટ કરેલ છે પ્રથમ લાઇનમાં. નંબર 2. What do the dancers do? Answer: the dancers form a circle in the open ground and dance to the tune of a garba, sing with music. મિત્રો અહીંયા હાઇલાઇટ કરેલું છે બીજી લાઇનમાં, ત્રીજી લાઇનમાં નંબર 2 લખીને જવાબ હાઇલાઇટ કરેલ છે. નંબર 3. What happens when the number of dancers is very large? Answer: when the number of dancers is very large, the chorus sings Garba songs from loudspeakers. જેનો આન્સર નંબર અહીંયા 3 નંબર કરીને હાઇલાઇટ કરેલ છે, અંડરલાઇન કરેલ છે. નંબર 4. Why do we sing Garba songs? We sing Garba songs because a Garba song worships and admires Ambama and other goddesses. જેનો જવાબ અહીંયા અંડરલાઇન કરેલ છે નંબર 4 કરીને. Number 5. What does the Garba song presents nowadays? Answer: nowadays the Garba song presents some social themes. જે અહીંયા છેલ્લી લાઇનમાં તમે જવાબ જોઈ શકો છો હાઇલાઇટ કરેલ. Number 6. How do the people prepare the dance ground? The people decorate and illuminate the ground with tiny bulbs. જેનો જવાબ અહીંયા તમે ફર્સ્ટ લાઇનમાં અંડરલાઇન કરેલ છે, જોઈ શકો છો. MCQ number 1. People illuminate the ground with ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer number B, tiny bulbs. Number 2. The atmosphere is like a ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer number D, fair. Number 3. Which word in the passage means to light up? Answer number D, illuminate. Number 4. The Garba music is very ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer number C, energetic. Number 5. Chorus means ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer number A, a group of singer. Number 6. A Garba song worships Khali Gya. Answer number A. Amba. Number 7. Nowadays, the Garba song presents Khali Gya. Answer number B. Social themes. Paragraph number 4. Question number 1. What do the women wear? Answer. A woman wear chaniya choli. Number 2. What do the men wear? The men wear kurta pajama and tie and udni round the waist. Number 3. Which jewelry do the women wear? Answer. The women wear jewelry such as bangles and bracelets, anklets and armlets, etc. MCQ number 1. Men and women wear Khali Jagya Gujarati attire. Answer number C. Traditional. Number 2. The chaniya choli is full of Khali Jagya. Answer number A. Embroidery and mirror work. Number 3. Which word in the passage means eye catching? Answer number D. Attractive. Number 4. The dancers dance with different. Answer number B. Actions. Paragraph number 5. MCQ number 1. Navratri is a festival of Khali Jagya. Answer number B. Joy and friendship. Underline કરેલ છે. Number 2. It will be Khali Jagya experience. Answer number D. And unforgettable. જેની પણ underline કરેલ છે. Question number 2. Write true or false. Number 1. The dancers move in the circle. જવાબ આવશે true. Number 2. The Garba songs worship Lord Krishna. Answer આવશે false. Number 3. Nowadays, Garba songs present social themes. Answer આવશે true. Number 4. Ketki buys chaniya choli. Answer આવશે true. Number 5. The ground is illuminated with lamps. Answer number 2. Number 6. Men and women wear traditional attire. Answer આવશે true. Number 7. Navratri is a festival of 10 nights. Answer આવશે false. Number 8. Women wear attractive jewelry. આન્સર આવશે ફોલ્સ. તો મિત્રો આગળના વિડીયોમાં જઈશું. થેન્ક યુ.